Hello, my beadie buddies. This is Sue Neal with Arcabeadies Designs. Welcome to 2020. As a New Year's resolution, I am hoping to put out some more videos this year showing you some cool projects, demos, and different techniques to help make your beadwork even more awesome. But for those of you who know me personally, you know that my family just moved from Illinois here to beautiful Arizona, and this is the new studio. So there may be some more furniture moving around, but I'm excited to get started in my new space and help to make some awesome things that we're all going to be enjoying making this year. And we have a full schedule. We're going to be out on the road quite a bit this year. We have some of our favorite projects coming up in February. We're going to be in Tucson, Arizona at the Jewelry Craft and Design Expo, which will be located at the La Quinta, and I'll have a link for that here in the video. In March, we will be in Santa Fe, New Mexico at the Whole Bead Show. That link will also be here in the description below. And we're going to be doing the Garden Windows project, which you can see is a great beginner level project that's going to focus on balance and design. We're going to go over an interesting way of using brick stitch as a way of embellishing a stand form for both our earrings and our pendants. And then we're going to do the Roosevelt cuff, which is one of my personal favorites. I am wearing one today. This is a great herringbone project for people who would like to learn flat herringbone, how to set that up, and how to add some inserts to it. It's a really fun project, works up relatively quickly. More experienced beaders will probably finish that one in class. And then we have the strapped bracelet, which is a brick stitch rope bracelet with different embellishment inserts. That one is a lot of fun to do as well and is good for beginners who want to use and learn this technique because it creates really nice ropes that could even be used as necklaces for more substantial pendants. So we hope to see you in February or March to do those projects. Then, of course, in June, we have the big show in Milwaukee, the Bead and Button Show, which is an annual mecca for many of us beaders. I will have two new projects to show this year. This is the Whirly Gig necklace, which you can see is a beautiful spiral with floating pearls and is a lot of fun to wear. Very unique and different and a good modern way to show off a pearl necklace. Plus we have the Galactic pearls. This is really a lovely way to take that classic pearl strand and elevate it to something that's even more elegant and beautiful to wear. So hopefully you'll join me for those two classes. We're also bringing back one of our favorites, which is the C-strand necklace. This is a wonderful project for beginners who maybe are used to stringing and want to get involved in a little bit of bead weaving or have just started bead weaving. This works up relatively quickly. Majority of students finish it in class. It's also fun for people who are used to beading and they want to work up a nice project that can be given as gifts and presents. It's a lovely necklace and it's great to wear. So hopefully you'll join me for that one as well. I've got links to all of these shows at the end of the video. Hope that you look them up and come and see me in the various locations. Looking forward to being at the new Tucson, Arizona show and Santa Fe, New Mexico. Well, they're not new shows. They're new to me. So in that regard, they're new. Also, please connect with me on Facebook or Instagram at Arcabeadies, ARCABEADIES. I'm also at bead_addict on Twitter. And on Facebook, I have a brand new group called Beadie Buddies. And that is just formed, and it's a specific forum to help find other beaders that are in your area maybe hook up and do some crafts together, or get some suggestions on your projects or how to get past a problem in your when you're building something, and throw out some ideas, just so that us beaders can unite together and help and support each other, and hopefully meet some new friends to hook up with at shows, or even in our own neighborhoods to bead with. So please connect with me, and I'll have some more information about different patterns and projects and schedules and how to do it and all of that other fun, entertaining, and goofy stuff. And I look forward to seeing you this year, and thank you for popping in. Bye.